The workshop it's made me actually understand my application better than I have in the past 12 years from using it.
Every product design workshop session at Merrick Studio is different. It means that every agenda is tailored to project needs. Sometimes we focus more on business needs and strategy, sometimes more important is an analysis of user flows and creation of new logic in the application.
Being forced to go through and do story mapping and doing sketches and discussing the very specific workflows is extremely beneficial. It's very helpful. So that was a very, very big eye-opener. It's also helped everybody else learn the application a lot faster. I've had these conversations with other programming companies and they tend to not really catch on to not only our application but the insurance industry, and I feel like everybody here has been, they understand not only our application but the industry as well, which I think is very important.
Product design workshops give you an opportunity to know the engineering team that will be working on your project. It not only helps to tighten the collaboration, but also provides us with a better understanding of your business goals and what's crucial to develop the product in the most efficient way.
I strongly believe that close cooperation between business, design and technology is the most efficient way of product development.
Everybody has a unique look. We have front-end user interface, we have back-end graphic design, and then project manager. So we have one person for every little facet of the project, and everybody is giving very good advice, good opinions. It's been very, very beneficial. I absolutely think it's a good way to start the development process. Like I said before, we've had other developers that don't do workshops. It just takes longer to get up and going. And I think coming here actually was even better. I think it's going to expedite the process. I think everybody will save time and money doing this way. So really, if possible, come to Poland, enjoy Poznan.